Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd. I know that there's a storm coming across the United States. It came through us last night. It rained most of the night, most of the day. Although the sun's coming out, which makes this greenhouse kind of warm right now, which is very nice. Got a couple things today. I thought we ought to take a look at the seedlings, see if anything has sprouted, and then I'll show you how I lost my mind. And there you go. Look at that. There you go. Now you don't have to say anything. My wife already scolded me for not marking these, so I won't have any idea what's what for a few days. Okay. Doesn't look like we got anything in this one started yet. Well, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I bet I know what that is. That's peas. Where it's nice and warm right now, I am going to go ahead and keep these covered up. This one hasn't germinated yet. We got a couple cold nights coming up here. Let me just set that aside. Okay, now I have to explain something. At the beginning I said I lost my mind. Well, sorta. I was getting dog food. You know what they were unloading? They were unloading plants. I saw a cartoon the other day that said, you know you're insane when you know you don't have enough room and you can't stop but buying that plant. You get home and you realize, I don't have enough room. It was not quite that bad. If you're going to buy vegetable starts, you want to get them just as inexpensively as possible. If they're much more than $1 a piece, you're way ahead by starting your own seeds. Now we've started our own seeds, but I'm also a sucker for plants, so look what I did. Now I added to the greenhouse, and this is what we intended to do. And when the peas come up, we're going to go ahead and plant that first batch right across there. We're going to go ahead and trellis that. But as you can see, I found some orphan lettuce and cabbage, and they worked out to be less than $1 a piece, so I just couldn't leave them there. Besides, I've got this brand new bed that needs something in it. So come on, let's plant. Now, of course, I'm being just a little tongue-in-cheek. If you don't have any other options, this is a great way that you can start in a very small area. This is only 7 by 3, so we got 21 square feet here. I'll show you what the possibilities are. But these babies definitely needed a home. Look how nice those roots are. In a bed like this, where it's brand new compost, I like to kind of get my holes started so I know where my spacing is going to be. And we only want to backfill up to the crown anyhow, so we're good to go. So our iceberg lettuce, we're going to give them a little more room so that they can head out. And this may be a mistake on the lettuce. It might still get too cold down here on the ground in the greenhouse. I don't have any heat in here yet. And if it looks like it's going to get too cold, we can always come in here and put a little plastic over the top of these for the night. Now we've got a beautiful spot right back here to put the peas. We'll go ahead and trellis those on up. And we want to make sure we water everything in good. This is new soil in a new bed. I'm going to make sure we got all the air pockets out. I know everybody's very busy and a lot of people have limited space. There's nothing wrong with buying pre-started plants. Do yourself a favor though and try to get the best deal you can. But if you've been following my story, you know we do this because it tastes good. We know what kind of chemicals go in the ground and what chemicals go on the plants, and that's none. And to me, that's worth a little bit more than what you can get at the store. But that's just me. Spring is on the way. I know there's a heck of a snowstorm going up towards the northeast. You guys stay warm and take care of yourselves. If you want to see what kind of seeds you can plant in the winter, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.